All right. Hello, everyone. So my name is Sahar Assaf, and I'm here with Soline Daccashe. And we're recording this bit after the attempt to interview Ahmed Muin from Gaza. Soline secured connection with Ahmed and has been trying to schedule this interview for the last 2 weeks. But due to the situation that Ahmed is in, he's being displaced yet again for the 15th time. We were able to catch him today, and he was able to come on Zoom for over like an hour. But unfortunately, the internet is bad. And we had to continue this interview on WhatsApp and do lots of editing. Yet we still wanted to share his voice with you all because it's very important to share his story, especially given the circumstances that he's going through right now. Anything else, Soline?
Thank you so much, Sahar. It has been challenging but worthwhile doing it.
Absolutely. Thank you for your time, Soline, and for connecting us with Ahmed. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, let's watch. Hello, my name is Sahar Assaf. I'm a Lebanese theater maker and the artistic director of Golden Thread Productions.
Hello, my name is Soline Daccashe from Lebanon. I'm an applied drama and theater practitioner and expressive art therapist.
Today is September 26th, and now it's 11:28 a.m. in Palestine. And we are honored to be sharing this space today with Ahmed Muin, who is joining us from Gaza. And we are recording this interview for 24 hours for Palestine.
We are indeed honored to welcome Ahmed Muin, also called Abu Amsha, who is a guitarist, composer, music teacher, and community builder from Gaza. Ahmed has been teaching at the Edward Said National Conservatory of Music and at the American International School of Gaza, inspiring generations of students. And now, through war and displacement, he has carried his craft and his voice, offering music as a form of healing and resilience. Recently, the world came to know his work through a viral video that transformed the sound of drones into music, a haunting yet powerful testament to Palestinian creativity under siege. But Ahmed's story goes far beyond a single video. It's a story of returning to music in the midst of loss, of children following him from one camp to another, and of the unbreakable bond between art and life in Gaza.
Ahmed,
Welcome, Ahmed.
Welcome, Ahmed. Thank you for...
welcome, Valentin. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's my honor to be with you. I'm going to add something. I'm Ahmed Abu Amsha from Beit Hanoun, from North Gaza, the last north of Gaza city. I'm a music teacher in the AISG and in the coordinator of Edward Said Conservatory here in Gaza. And a guitar player in the TV band, Palestine TV band, and also composer and a sound engineer and singer. So I displaced almost 15 times right now. Sorry for the noise, guys, because I have to go up here to the street to have connection. We are now in South Gaza. We have only a new camp and there's no connection there. So I have to go up here beside the street. So the noise, I'm sorry for that. And yeah, I have right now my friends and my teachers displaced beside me because since the beginning of the war, I make friendship with all the families here with their kids. And we are a family right now, thanks God. The music connect us, and they are displacing where I go right now. So most of the camp is my friends and my colleagues and my students and their families.
So you have created like a community who is moving with you. Whenever you go together, and your bonding through the music has become like a strength that moves with you.
Yeah. Thanks, God. Since I began this project, um, uh, there was a lot of kids. They have problems like psychological problems, trauma, something like that. There was kids they can't speak. So after a while of music therapy and the activity, the I shocked because the families come to my tent and thanks me. I told them why, because they told me our kids is better and some of kids are speaking and communicating with us, with the people around. You heal them, Mr. Ahmed. Thank you so much. That's why we make a big family, because they can see the results of music therapy, and they are happy with that because their kids are getting better.
We can see a child. You can introduce him if he wants. He can be there.
Okay.
He's welcome.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, this is
Hello.
Zain. This is my son Zain.
Hello,
Hello,
Zain.
Zain.
مرحبا زين كيفك؟
Zain, he
Does
is
Zain also sing and play music?
yeah, he's playing durbaka and a little bit guitar because he saw me how to play. So he is with us with these activities, and he asking for something to buy right now. So go there to the shop and روح على السوبر ماركت. يلا شوف ايش بدك وانا بحكي. يلا.
Ahmed, we have many questions for you, and we are curious about your life right now and how
Okay.
you're hanging in there and all of this. But before we begin, we want to show our viewers a video one of the videos that you recently produced as part of Gaza Birds Singing, and you shared on your social media. We're going to stop to see the video, and we're going to come back to this conversation.
Okay.
Today there's a lot of drones. I'm gonna sing a song today with drone. شيل شيل يا جمالي شيل يا حوطك بالله دم الشهيد معطر بالهيل هيل يا ليلو ويل ويل عالظالمي ويل ويل من الله لا أسهر على نجوم الليل أنا ناديله شيل شيل يا جمالي شيل يا حوطك بالله دم الشهيد معطر بالهيل هيل يا ليلو ويل ويل عالظالمي أسهر على نجوم الليل أنا ناديله شيل شيل يا جمالي شيل يا حوطك بالله دم الشهيد معطر بالليل يا ليلو ويل ويل عالظالمي ويل 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 لا أسهر على نجوم الليل أنا ناديله شيل شيل يا جمالي شيل يا حوطك بالله دم الشهيد معطر بالليل Hello everyone, happy Eid. This is the first day of Eid Fitr. Eidukum Mubarak. Today we have some activity with the kids. So we have to spread joy and love and music and make the kids happy. Come with me, I'm gonna show you. يلا معاها غني غني يا احمد الصوت يا رجلي يا رجلي رجلي توجعني رجلي توجعني كتير 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 يا رجلي سمعنا يا احمد سمعنا
تعالى انا وانت يلا
It's such a beautiful work, Ahmed, and very impactful, very moving.
Thank you.
And you already said that you have been displayed 15 times, right?
Yeah, right now 15 times I displaced.
It's
And
unimaginable.
it's a horrible thing to display. The most horrible thing in this war is displacing because you have your things, and I displaced 15 times, and each time I know exactly the politics of the Israeli soldiers, and I take the decision to displace before they throw papers or sending messages, because I have a lot of things. I have a heavy load in my shoulders. I have families. I have my family and instruments and tents and clothes or our things. Because the first day I displaced at 3 o'clock in the morning from Beit Hanun, and they send us a message at 3 o'clock to leave immediately. After 5 minutes, I'm leaving. They destroy all the block. Nothing remains. My studio, my home, my everything is destroyed. So I go with nothing, without shoes, running through the night, and we go to area called Jabalia. It's near Beit Hanun. After we spend one day there, I was in UNRWA school, shelter for North for people from North Gaza. They stay at the school. After one day staying there, they strike the school. We was there, and see we see the missiles coming from the people, and a lot of people are dying there from our eyes. We run away once again, go to Al Nasser. We spend one night in Nasser, then go to the Shifa, the hospital Shifa, and after that we spend 2 hours in Shifa. We can stay there because there was a lot of bombing, a lot of stress, a lot of I don't. Oh my God.
So
After
the
that, we
first
go
week
to
was
Khan
very,
Yunis.
very
We
crazy,
spend.
Ahmed. Like you've been spending
Yeah,
sometimes
yeah,
one
yeah, yeah,
day,
yeah.
sometimes few hours in different places and just moving again without clothes, without shoes, as you said, with your children and family.
Yeah, yeah.
And this was in
We
the
are running
beginning.
from death. This is
Yeah,
the good word to describe running from death.
running from that.
After that, go to Khan Yunis. In Khan Yunis, we stay in, because they told us go to South Gaza. We stay in UNRWA school. We spend 3 months there. After 3 months, they told us to leave Khan Yunis. We go to Rafah. Rafah, it's better, but there was no place in Rafah. I make a tent in UNRWA school there. It was horrible. Me and my father and my mother and my family and my brother family, we sat in one tent, and we spent 3 months there because there's no places in Rafah. Rafah was full of people. After that, there was a shelter for artist shelter. I have a lot of friends out of Gaza. They make a music shelter for artists, and I go there with my family only. And my father and mother stays in that place. When I was there, after 3 days, my friend bring me a guitar like this and told me, Ahmed, try to play. Since the war, I doesn't play guitar. I just running from death and trying my best to have safe place for my family, and I'm not thinking about music. when I got the guitar, I play some notes and some music, and I close my eyes. Then I open my eyes. I find a lot of kids from the camp, from the artist shelter camp, coming around me and clap for me. And
Oh.
these moments, I just forget that I'm in the war. And the kids was very happy. We sing, and we have a wonderful moment there. And I'm have like a light in my mind. What? Why not we make activity for the kids? Because I am forget the war. What about the kids? So after 2 days, the kids coming to my tent and told me, please bring the guitar and we sing together. After that, I choose to make activity for them, and we make maybe 20 activities there. After that, I decide to make it big and to try to have activity with the camps around us. After that, they told us to evacuate Rafah. It's horrible, really. You know, I take it in thought, taking my things from Rafah to Khan Yunis al Mawasi. Khan Yunis Mawasi was like a desert. It's no buildings, no. It's like a big place for planting. Okay, a big place for planting. Um, when I go there, I was very upset, very tired, trying to build a new place. After building new place, I go to the they making a camp, a big camp. There was three big camps there. And I was go to the manager of the camp. I told him, "Hey, my name is Ahmed. I want to make activity for the kids here in the camps. Kind of activities." I told him music activities. He laughs and he told me, "Hey, Ahmed, I know you. You are famous in Sabah, but we don't need music. We need food. We need water. You know, you see our situation." I told him, "No, we can make it different with music." He told me, "Go on, I'm with you." I contact my Edward Said Conservatory and told them. They told me, "We are with you. We are beside you. Go on." So after 1 month, they can see the results, and a lot of camps manager come to my tent and told me. They told me, "Please come and do activity for us from far away from our camp," you know. And Khan Younis, I was very famous there. All the kids know me, all the families know me, and they trying their best to help me to make activity for kids. Sorry, when I was there trying to build my tent, I was looking to know who is the neighbor beside me. I was looking to my neighbor. He was very sad, sitting, not doing nothing. He has his tent. He trying to build it, but he just hold it and drop it down. And I told him, hey, you need help. He told me, no. I spent 2 hours building on my tent, and he only sat, not doing nothing. I go to him in the evening. I told him, I can help you to build your tent. He told me, yes, you can help me. I helped him, and I told him, what your story? Tell me. And he told me his story. And when he told me his story, I cried really, and go back to my tent and compose a song. I call this song, it's I Have No Address. Uh, the song talks about his kids. He was have 8 kids, and they die there in Gaza from strike. And oh my God, I I can sing it for you if you want.
Of course.
Yes.
Of
Yeah, of
course.
course. Please.
عنوان نازح في المكان، والمكان بعيد عن بيتي أكيد. عندي جار جديد بس طيب أكيد. بيحكي لي هالجار بعيونه إصرار، عنده 8 ولاد بس غابوا الأحباب. بلشت الدموع والقلب موجوع. يا عالم فلسطين يا حرة، غزة تدوم مهما تطاول هالمجنون. لابد رح يجي للظالم يوم. أطفال تحت الرادم نايمين من قصفك، احنا مش خايفين. الشمس رح تطلع والعتمة حتزول. Free, free Palestine, 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 free, free Palestine.
I have a lot of stories, and the main story that make me crying until now, there was a student called Yusuf Salman. He's the one of the best of my students. He's he was learning guitar with me, and I love him so much. He's from North Gaza. Suddenly in the morning, he came to me and told me, "Mr. Ahmed, I love you so much." And he gave me a hug. I told him, "Yusuf, what's wrong?" He told me, "No, I just miss you." And I told him, "Okay, sit. You need a guitar to practice." He told me, "No, I just want to sit with you." So I make a coffee and drink with him coffee. And he told me, "Mister, I have to go tonight to the coffee shop to have a connection to call my father." His father was in North Gaza, and he was in South with his family. And he told me, "I have to go there, and I will see you next day." I told him, "Okay, you will not come to the sessions." He told me yes. After he goes that, and suddenly in the evening, I heard a strike, and my heart goes like, "Oh my God, it's near, very near." And I was looking from out of the tent. I saw it in the coffee shop. I tried to go there, but there was a lot of people running. And the news comes to me that Yusuf died there. So this is the horrible news that I heard on all my life. Like I can't breathe. Oh my God. After
Like a
after
family
1 hour,
member.
after 1 hour, their family was screaming and crying until the morning. Until the morning, I can hear his mom crying, and so we stopped the music 2 weeks, no activities, just the kids come and sit and do nothing because he was uh, loved from all the team and all the kids. After that, we make a song like this is what we can do. we make a song for Yusuf. It's called uh, Mafi Layl. That means we don't we don't sleep, and there's no night can make us asleep. Yeah, after that, we uh, continue because this is life. We continue our mission, our activity for the kids, and they told us there's a ceasefire, and you can go back to north. I the first day I can believe like we are flying from it's oh my god, we have to go back to Beit Hanun. So I take my brother Aid and try to find the car. We didn't find. We go and fought from North Gaza, from South Gaza, sorry, to North Gaza. It's 50 kilos walking in feet.
Walking?
Uh, when I arrived to Beit Hanun after 12 hours walking, I don't know. It's my house. Where's my street? Where's the streets? There's no streets. There's like the rubbish like this. All the houses upon the other, and I was fine. My lovely neighbor there, and he was searching for his house. He told me, "Where's my house? Where's the street?" I don't. I told him, I said, "No." I'm like, I'm searching. Like you can't believe. It's shock. Like, oh my god, what? It's not destruction. It's unbelievable. Like they take the houses with bulldozers and put it here and put it there, and you can understand the direction. After that, I find my house from the instruments that broken for under the rubbles, and I told him this is your house, and I composed a song about that my neighbor is like strange. He don't know his house, and until now I don't release this song because it's need a lot. It's need a good equipment for this song. It's need a lot of instruments, and until now we don't have any studio here.
يوم الغاب عيونك عني شو تمنيت الأرض تنسى جوت بلعني ويا ما بكيت عمري بعدك حرفيا تمشي يتحال.
Can you perhaps maybe give us a glimpse into your day? What does it feel like waking up in Gaza in your current situation in this new camp and new displacement?
Okay, I want to tell you, I'm trying my best to let the words describe what we are doing, and the words can't describe, even the camera can't describe. I wake up in the morning trying to get a drinkable water. It's far away from here. We have to walk 3 kilos to find drinkable water because it's a new camp and there's no water station here. After that, you have to find food for your kids, and it's not easy to find food. You have to walk to go to the market, Dir Balah market. You can find there, and it's very expensive. After that, you have to bring fuel, like wood, like some gasoline, something like that, to make fire to cook. And it's very expensive. Even each kilo of wood costs you maybe $10. It's something like that, from $10 to $8. Because there's no fuel. They're trying to get fuel. Each liter of fuel costs $80. because they get it from plastic. They melt the plastic and get the gasoline and something like that, because they close all the borders. No fuel, nothing can enter in Gaza, only the aids, and we don't know where the aids go. Oh my God. So living here in Gaza, you have to understand what is going on. You have to live here. You have to see, you have to feel what is going on. Each night we go to sleep, and we are thinking if we can wake up or not, because death everywhere, everywhere in Gaza. No place is safe in Gaza. And a lot of friends told me we want to come to Gaza, and we want to help. They doesn't understand what is going on. It's a real genocide. I told you, there is no word can explain what is going on. Just you have to live here to understand.
And maybe that's why you resorted to music. There's lots of stories and feelings that are coming through your music to the world. What is Gaza's bird singing doing now? You mentioned that the kids are following you, and I think you mean all the kids, not only your kids, obviously, but the kids that are being
Yeah,
trained. Talk a
Gaza
little about.
Bird Singing is a band from displacing people. Not a lot of the families here, maybe half of them until now, because we displace since 10 days. And I try my best to have a places for them. But, displacing from Gaza, it's 1 million people that are displacing, and there's no placing in Gaza can contain all of them. In the South Gaza contains all of them. So I'm trying my best. Now we are doing a song that's called My North with Gaza Bird singing. I have 10 boys. They're gonna sing the song with me, and I'm waiting for the girls to come, and they're gonna sing a song with us. So half of the Gaza Bird singing are taking sessions with us now, and we are waiting for the others. I hope in the next week all of them they're gonna be here. So we try our best to spread joy and love and peace and singing and music for all the kids in our camp right now, until now in our camp. After that, we can go to the other camps with Gaza Bird Singing. And Gaza Bird Singing, it's not only a team, it's not only a band, it's a project about teaching music and using music therapy for all the displaced kids. And my idea is to make it global, really, to go to everywhere that kids are suffering, to heal them with music.
Ahmed, it's so hopeful to see that in the midst of genocide and multiple displacement and very, very harsh conditions of living, you are still gathering. The Gaza Bird Singing Group is still trying to be complete and to follow you and to connect, because war disconnects everything. So the work you are doing is tremendously fundamental. It's fundamental for your survival. It's a great act of resistance. And we are very honored to hear your story today and to witness it. And we know that you started this from zero. You were volunteering together with other teachers. And at some point you didn't have instruments. You created instrument and knife from pipes. And now maybe after 2 years, you are getting some help. If you want to share what's your source of help, and also about your fundraising campaign, and if you want to share some information how we can help you and support your work.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. The beginning of this project, I was have nothing, no instruments that I have. So I tried to find some instruments in the rubbles and try to fix them. Like I found a guitar, and I go to the people that they could collecting things from the rubbles, and I find a guitar and oh, it's broken. I fix them in Mosik and Yunis, and begin with one oud and one guitar. And we have problem with nai, the Arabic instruments. Nai, it's like flute. I have an idea. I told the teacher I have an idea. He told me what? I told him we had We have to bring plastic pipes, the water plastic pipes, and try to make holes inside it with a measurement. And we can teach kids on that. And we begin with that. And we make a lot of noise. And I post a post about that in Instagram, and we succeed in that. We was have problem with the strings. We don't have strings for the guitar for oud. I tried measurement. So when I work in the market, I find a bicycle fixer, and I told him I want to see the wires of the bike. He told me, you have a bike? I told him, no, I want to make a music instruments with it. So I take them and put it in guitar, and it's work. And here in Zawaida, we are on the beach. I find a lot of fishing people. They have plastic wires, and I take from them and I put in guitar. It works very well, and it's better than the original strings, really. So I trying my best to help people, and I have a GoFundMe campaign. If anyone who can help me and help my project and my people, he can donate there. My campaign is called Help Ahmed Muin and his family and his project. And thanks God, we collect some money there, and I spend it on the kids and on the teachers' families, and we buy some food for the families and the kids there, and some clothes and some tents, and we are fine. And thanks, a big thank for everyone who give a hand, really. I can't explain in English. احكي بالعربي.
احكي بالعربي وأنا بترجم.
اول حاجه بدي اعملها صراحه، يعني ارجع بيت حنون وابوس تراب بيت حنون.
مم.
المكان صح، احنا مش في غربه، لسه في غزه، بس البيت او المكان اللي سكنت فيه وربيت فيه وترعرعت فيه، وهو مش حيطان، مش يعني بيت، هو ذكريات، هو تاريخ، هو حضاره انت عملتها. فمش سهل احكي لك شغله، حتى انا بعيد عن بيتي يعني. المساله مش، احنا في غربه، حتى لو كنا جوا في غربه، والمكان اللي احنا فيه صح هو في غزه، لكن برضه حاسين بغربه. ما بالك الناس اللي طلعوا برا غزه تعبانين جدا. انا كثير اصحابي برا غزه تعبانين جدا، مش عارفين يدخلوا اولادهم مدارس، مش عارفين. ف... فهذا ايش يعني هوم، هذا البيت، بيتك، المكان اللي انت ربيت فيه، مليان ذكريات، مليان حضاره. الهواء بيختلف من مكان لمكان. انا اشتقت لهذا هواء بيت حنون، اني انا اشمه بس. اقول لك اروح على بيت حنون اشم الهواء وارجع، مش مشكله عندي، بكون اخذت اخذت طاقه ايجابيه.
يا رب ما يحرمك من هاللحظة.
يا رب، يا رب،
ترجع
يا رب،
يا رب وترجع تتعمر غزة مثل ما انتم بتحبوا.
يا رب. انا شوفي، انا انسان عمري ما فقدت الامل. I never lose hope. And I know and I can feel it. We're gonna go back. We're gonna rebuild. We're gonna we're gonna live a new life, a better life. I know, I feel it inside my heart. That's why they told me, they call me in social media a man that has a beard and have a beautiful smile and never lose hope.
Yes, you are, Ahmed. You are.
I hope my feeling is right, going back and rebuild.
Anything else you'd like to add for our listeners who are probably tuning into this right now or later?
Yeah, there is something I want to add. There's a message from me to musicians, a message for all the people. My message is that we are innocent people. We have to live like the others. And what is going on here in Gaza is unbelievable. You can't understand. The journalist, the camera, the words cannot express what we are living. And my message for the musicians, please don't stop. Scream for Gaza. Sing a song for Gaza. Let the people know what is happening here. And the last message is thank a lot of people is standing by us, screaming for Gaza, giving what they have. My message is thank you so much to everyone who helps, who donates, who speaks, who are standing for Gaza.
We're very grateful to you, Ahmed, for trying to find the time despite the atrocities, despite the unthinkable living situation that you're in. We are extremely
Thank you so
grateful.
much. Thank you so much. حبايب قلبي تسلموا لي. شكرا كثير. شكرا
الله
كثير.
يخليك.
So I
يؤمن.
يسعدك وانا it is sharaf or this is my honor to be with you. It's not easy to get electric, so I have to go back to charge my phone because we are working in solar panel. There's no electric. Okay, and we will be in touch in WhatsApp, inshallah.
Yes,
Yes.
we will stay in touch.
Okay.
See you soon.
Wonderful. Thank you, Ahmed.
See you,
Bye.
see you guys.
Bye bye.
See you.
Bye, Habibi.
Bye.
Bye bye. يلا باي باي. باي باي باي. باي باي. Thank you so much.
Bye bye. الله يخلي لك يا
باي
أخي.
باي. الله يسعدك. تسلموا لي. تسلموا لي. باي باي.
Okay, hello guys. I'm gonna show you the place that I live here in Zawaida area. I'm gonna turn the camera. I'm gonna show you the place right now. Okay, this is the place that I live. This is the camp. I'm gonna walk through the tents I'm gonna show you. So when I need connection, I have to go up there, here, because there's no connection here. So we live in the beach. Now I'm gonna go. This parachute is for the activity. Okay. People are living here in tents, and they are suffering a lot. There is no water here, so we have to drink water from a long distance, carrying all the water. Okay, sorry for shaking the phone because I have a problem with my leg. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And this is the way for my tent. Here we go. Until now I'm preparing the place. This is my tent. And this one. This is my brother's tent. Okay. And this is the activity place here. And in this tent and there. So I'm gonna sing you a song right now. I hope you like it. This is a song called I Have No Address. I'm gonna sing it to you. I hope you like it. عنوان نازح في المكان والمكان بعيد عن بيتي أكيد عندي جار جديد بس طيب أكيد بيحكي لي هالجار بعيونه إسرار عنده تمن ولاد بس غابوا الأحباب وبلشت الدموع والقلب موجوع يا فلسطين يا حرة غزة دوم مهما تطاول هالمجنون لابد رح يجي للظالم يوم. أطفال تحت الردم نايمين من قصفك، احنا مش خايفين الشمس رح تطلع والعتمة حتزول. Free, free Palestine, 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 free, free Palestine. ما إلي عنوان. Oh, يلا. Okay, this song is called I Have a Lovely Neighbor. كان لي جار حبيب. I hope you like it. كان لي جار حبيب ماشي كأنه غريب، معرف بيته وين وهو منه قريب. كان لي جار حبيب ماشي كأنه غريب، معرف بيته وين وهو منه قريب. اتهدمت بنيان واسودت الألوان، صار الدمار عنوان زوار حارتنا، لكننا ما متنا بيت إرادتنا. رغم الوجع صامدين يا رب ثبتنا، دمعي وقف عالباب بيودع الأحباب ويصبر الباقيين عفرائي هالقوية. When we was in the middle of Gaza City, it was really starving. I can't find food for my kids and for my family, my brothers. So one night I was very hungry and can't sleep, but I'm trying my best to feed my kids a little bit of food, but I sleep without food. So I composed this song. It's called Who's Listening? مين سامع؟ مين سامع مين؟ احنا المظلومين نصرخ بأعلى صوت بس الصدى سمعين. دور حوالينا مين مد ايده لينا ودموعنا في عينينا، مين حاسس فينا مين سامع مين؟ احنا المظلومين نصرخ بأعلى صوت بس الصدى سمعين. دور حوالينا مين مد ايده لينا دموعنا في عينينا مين حاسس فينا مين جوعنا نايمين كل البشر شاهدين قصف ودمار ونار بس سيبونا عايشين دمروا الحرام ما ضل فينا بنغني بصوت مجروح اصحوا يا نايمين مين سامع مين مين سامع مين مين سامع مين اصحوا يا
That was Ahmed Muin, also known as Abu Amsha from Gaza, the inspiring, undefeatable Ahmed Muin, whose voice really goes straight into the soul. We are very grateful that we found a little time to chat with him on Friday. The videos that we ended with are videos that he recorded from his current camp, his most recent displacement in the south of Gaza, yesterday as we began the stream. Consider following Ahmed on Instagram, uplift his stories, make a donation to his campaign, which is really helping keep many kids alive, as in feeling something, some emotions, healthy emotions, and distracting them a little from the ongoing genocide, taking for a moment their fears away from them. He's doing an amazing and a huge amount of work that deserves all our support.
Sahar, thank you for pre-recording that session and finding a time and a way to bring his work and his voice and his stories to all of us under very difficult conditions. It was really beautiful to be able to spend that time listening to him directly. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I want to thank Soline Daccashe, really also art therapist from Lebanon, who connected with Ahmed and got us really this interview with him. I'm very grateful to her as well.